First, remove them from the reusable padded pouch. Then, remove each earbud from the ends of the charging dock. To turn on, hold each touchpad marked the plus sign for 3 seconds. There'll be a flashing LED light indicating that the device is on. To pair the device, open up the Bluetooth in your device's settings and select the name Alt Esc. Once paired, you'll hear a chime in each earbud notifying you that you've successfully paired to your device. You are now ready to use our Listen wireless earbuds. When using your phone, you can double tap, answer a call, double tap to hang up on a call, or do a long press to decline a call. When listening to music, you can double tap to play, double tap to pause, or hold down for 2 seconds to forward the track. If you hold down each of the touchpad for longer than 5 seconds, he'll initiate your AI assistant. These are the functions of our Listen wireless earbuds. First, connect to a USB-C power source. The LED lights will light up, indicating the earbuds are charging. When all 4 lights are lit, the earbuds are fully charged. To use the charge power bank, remove it from the reusable padded pouch, connect the Listen wireless earbud charging dock to the power bank. The LED lights will indicate the earbuds are charging. To charge the power bank, connect to a USB-C power source. The earbuds and the power bank will charge simultaneously. After all 4 lights are lit, it will indicate that the earbuds and the power bank are fully charged. Remove it from the reusable padded pouch. Remove the earbuds from the charging dock. Screw each of them to the threaded ends. The magnetic clasp and the adjustable knots allow you to wear them around your wrist or your neck when you're not using them. Remove the earbuds from the charging dock. Screw to the ends of the draw cord. Now you can wear the music. To store the charging dock and power bank, connect to the clip and securely stow in the pocket. Remove it from the reusable padded pouch. Connect it to the arms of your favorite sunglasses. Remove the earbuds from the charging dock and screw them to the threaded ends. Now, you can keep your earbuds and your favorite sunnies secure.